One of the most prominent trends in the 21st century is digitization. The world around us is transforming into a digital world. India is a leader in IT services, and what started in 1970s and 80s by Infosys, TCS and Wipro has now become one of the biggest industry in India, creating huge talent pool with growth opportunity. Technology is the future, and as an investor, it is a key sector for investment. Now TCS, Infosys and Wipro are already the big fishes. They have already given multibagger returns. So many of you requested me to create a video on IT companies that can be the next Infosys, TCS and generate multibagger return. So in this video, I am going to analyze a relatively newer name in the world of Indian IT and technology services. It is Newgen Software. While some of you would not be aware about Newgen, but let me give you an idea. Recently, Gartner released its Magic Quadrant report for content service platform, and Newgen was recognized as a visionary. If you are from an IT background, you would probably understand the importance of this report. But if you are from a non-IT background, then let me help you understand the importance of this report. So Gartner Magic Quadrant is the gold standard report in the IT software industry. Majority of global companies take recommendation from Gartner report before shortlisting a software product or service. It is extremely difficult to get shortlisted in the Gartner analysis, and Newgen has managed to be a visionary in that report. That's simply exceptional. Hello friends, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy, where I explain everything about money management in layman's language. This is the 34th episode of Stock Fundamental Analysis, and as usual, we'll start with understanding the company and the business of Newgen Software, its leadership, competitive strength, competitors, key risk, future growth prospect and financials to understand if Newgen Software is a fundamentally strong company or not. Then we will cover the valuation analysis to understand if it is worth investing in Newgen Software at current levels or not. But before we proceed, I want to clarify that this video is only for educational purpose. A couple of folks commented on my last video on Praj Industries that I have missed the bus and it has already zoomed so much. Well, guess what? When I created the video on Laurus Lab on 27th February 21, it was trading at Rs 350. Just 1 year ago, Laurus Lab was trading at Rs 82 in February 20. So a few people commented that it has already given more than 300% return. So why are you making a video now? Fast forward today, within 4 months, Laurus Lab is trading at Rs 649, giving almost 85% return from the day I created the video. Likewise, when I created a video on Happiest Mind on 16th April, it was trading at Rs 644, giving 300% return from the IPO price. Again, people said, why a video now? It's been 2 months and the stock is already trading at Rs 943, giving 46% return. Although Laurus Lab and Happiest Mind were also the part of my multi-bagger list that I launched in February 21, when they were at much lower levels. So the point is not to prove that I am a genius. I am not. The point is that I don't just look at what has happened in the past. I look at what can happen in the future. No matter if the stock has given 1000% return in the past, the question is, can it still give better returns in the future? So please stop commenting that the share has already jumped. Try to learn more about the business of the company that I present and not just focus on the buy price. This video is only for long-term investors and not for traders. Also, there are a lot of fake comments from spammers using my profile pic and name and asking to invest in cryptos and sharing WhatsApp number. Please do not fall for their traps and please report them. And if you want to learn how to pick quality stocks yourself, you can explore my complete course on money management. Alright, let's get started with our analysis. So Newgen Software is a low-code software product company offering enterprise content management, business process management and customer communication management platform that enables organizations to rapidly develop powerful applications as per their business need. This includes managing digital content, managing complex processes and workflows, and managing outbound communication. The company provides a low-code, flexible, and cloud-ready platform that helps in rapidly building powerful applications. Now let us try to understand a bit more about the business of Newgen. Its first business segment is Enterprise Content Management Software. With this software, enterprises can manage their end-to-end digital content and access the content across devices and channels. It also modernizes their old content management software with digital workspace. So there are still a lot of businesses that have huge amount of data in paper format or in old legacy softwares. So Newgen helps them transform and manage their entire content in digital format with easy access. Second business segment is Business Process Management. Newgen BPM platform helps in optimization of business process using machine learning and data-driven insight generation model. Third segment is Customer Communication Management. One of the ultimate goal of digitization is streamlining the customer communication. This means delivering the right message in the right context at right time and through the right channel. Newgen Customer Communication Management allows companies to deliver personalized, content-rich communication while tapping into the various cross and upselling opportunities across touchpoints such as your email, SMS, web, and print. It offers product and solution across 17 industries and has been a preferred partner of some of the world-leading banks, insurance companies, healthcare organizations, government, telecom services, shared services, and BPOs. If you look at the leadership, Mr. Diwakar Nigam is the co-founder, chairman, and MD of Newgen. He is also a founding member of NASSCOM, which is India's IT Industry Association. Prior to joining Newgen, he founded Softtech and was associated with it for 12 years. Mr. Diwakar has more than 35 years of experience in the IT industry. He is an alumnus of University of Allahabad, IIT Delhi, and IIT Madras. Newgen's second co-founder is T.S. Vadrarajan. Prior to promoting Newgen, he promoted Softtech Private Limited and was associated with it for 13 years. He also has got more than 35 years of experience in the field of software designing and development. He did his engineering from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and hold a master degree in computer science from IIT Madras. The current market cap of Newgen Software is around 3,730 crore, which makes it a small cap company. Overall, on the company, its business, and its leadership, I would rate Newgen 10 on 10. If you look at the key strength of the company, its first strength is annuity revenue stream. Company has large annuity-based business where company gets repeat business from existing customers. Around 56% revenue of the company is based on the annuity model, which provides predictable revenue. Second strength is diversified business leveraging latest technologies. Newgen products are built on the latest technologies of cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. This provides flexibility, scalability, and security to the platform. Today, Newgen has 550 active customers in 72 countries. Third strength is innovation. Newgen's strong focus on product innovation makes it one of the few software product organizations which have attracted multiple recognitions from leading advisory and research firms like your Gartner, Forrester, etc. As of FY21, company has filed 44 patents, out of which 18 patents have been granted. Its fourth strength is deep domain experience. Company has built a strong domain experience in 17 domains with its pre-built accelerators for core domains. Like in banking, it has digital account opening system, retail and commercial lending system. In insurance, it has customer acquisition system, claim management system. In government, it has e-government, office automation, record management system, etc. If you look at the competitors, its competitors include foreign players like Microsoft, Helen, OpenText, SER Group, IBM, Oracle, etc. So we can't compare Newgen with the traditional IT companies in India. Overall, on competitive strength, I would rate it 8 on 10. If you look at the key risk, company business depends largely upon the high-skilled technology professional and its ability to hire and retain the employee. Any inability to maintain a skilled and motivated team of professionals can affect the business of the company. If you look at the future growth prospect, the future is digital. On top of that, the COVID pandemic has reinforced the need for digitization of business, including small and medium enterprises. As per research report, the enterprise content management area has a market potential of $20 billion by 2022. Business process management area has a market potential of $8 billion by 2022. And customer communication management area has a market potential of $2 billion by 2022. Since the company's products are built on cloud platform, it is highly scalable. And the cloud-based platforms are growing significantly all over the world. Newgen products are multilingual and hence would help in expansion in other countries. Newgen is investing in direct and indirect sales channel, professional services, customer support and channel partners to expand its geographical footprints. Newgen is also planning to expand its product portfolio. It is constantly engaged in enhancement of its R&D capability to include technologies like advanced analytics, blockchain, DevOps, robotic process automation, etc. Overall, there is a bright growth prospect for Newgen and hence on future growth, I would rate it 10 on 10. If you look at the revenue, Newgen revenue have consistently grown from 347 crore in FY16 to currently at 673 crore. That's a CAGR growth of 14.2%. Newgen profits have grown from 28 crore in FY16 to currently at 126 crore. That's a CAGR growth of 35%. That's a brilliant growth. Both revenue and profit growth are looking great. Hence on growth ratio, I would rate it 10 on 10. If you look at the profitability, its operating margin has significantly improved over the years. The current operating margin is 29%. Although this high margin is also due to lower expenses due to lockdown. If you look at the ROE and ROCE, the return on equity is 18.9% and latest ROCE is 27.3%, which is very good. Hence on profitability, I would rate it 9 on 10. Company is virtually debt free with the recent debt to equity ratio of 0.03. Its reserves have increased consistently from 166 crore to 596 crore in last 5 years. It has a cash equivalent of around 242 crore. If you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 65.73% shareholding till March 21. FII have 14.63% shareholding, DII have 6.85% shareholding. FII have significantly increased the shareholding in the company. Recently, there was an announcement that Newgen promoters have sold 10.57% stake in the company. That even serves the share price of the company as the shares were purchased by some top investment firms in the world. In fact, even MIT holds a shareholding in the company. MIT is the #1 engineering institute in the world. Newgen Software recently had its IPO in January 18 at a price band of Rs 245. Since then, it is currently trading at a level of 534. At current price point, it is trading at a P/E ratio of 29, which looks like a little undervalued for a growth stock like Newgen. Its PEG ratio is 0.84, which suggests the share is undervalued. Although recently the share has rallied a lot, but in the long term, I think this IT stock has a great potential to generate great return for shareholder. So in this video, we discussed the fundamentals of Newgen Software. Newgen Software is a small cap software company with around 3,000 crore market cap, and it is involved in the business of content management, business process management and customer communication management. Its platform has been ranked into the visionary quadrant of Gartner's latest report on content management software. It has a strong leadership with focus on innovation and deep domain expertise. The future growth prospects of the company are looking bright with more demand for digitization. Since the company products are built on cloud platform, they are highly scalable. The financials of the company are looking solid with exceptional profit growth, very good profitability and negligible debt levels. The valuation of the company is looking decent with a P ratio of 29. It's neither too high nor too low. Although the share has jumped recently, in the long term, Newgen Software is looking like a very good company for long-term wealth creation. I hope you have enjoyed the analysis. I will see you with another video. Till then, take care.